Hi everyone. In this video you are going to know about the DevOps. So what is a DevOps? So DevOps is a kind of methodology, philosophy and its culture. So before DevOps has been evolved, there were so many traditional methodologies like waterfall methodology, V-shape methodology, spiral methodology and agile methodology. So there were certain drawbacks using those methodologies. So in order to overcome those drawbacks, DevOps has been evolved. So DevOps is the combination of the development and team with the operations team. So before DevOps, the development team and the ops team were isolated. So by combining the development team with the operations team, so we can bring effective, efficient, good quality products and services. So using DevOps, we can automate the processes within the SDLC lifecycle. So DevOps is the combination of development and operations. This is not only combination of the development and operations team, but there are so many processes, tools, functions have been involved in DevOps. So everybody thinks that DevOps is a kind of a tool or a programming language, but actually it is neither a tool nor a programming language. It's a set of processes. It's a methodology. So using DevOps, we can provide continuous integration and continuous delivery services. We can improve the collaboration, we can improve the productivity of the services, and we can provide the no time delivery services or minimum downtime services for making any changes in the functionality of the product. So what are the features of DevOps? So DevOps is continuous development, continuous testing, continuous development deployment and continuous monitoring. So what are the different tools used in DevOps? So there are different integration tools like Jenkins, Bamboo, Hudson, version control tools such as JIT, SVN and Jira, testing tools like Selenium, JUnit, monitoring tools like Splunk, ELK, Nagios, packaging tools or container tools like Docker. By combining these tools, so we can develop the product in a fast and efficient manner. Thank you for watching.